Welcome to Marigold Lesson, Sundari. In this session we shall read the story and understand the meaning of new words.
Sundari was a big red, white and blue kite. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. "You are beautiful, and I will call you Sundari," he said.
One day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. The band was playing, and everyone was smiling. A merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked too.
Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Puff! The wind came along. Sundari started to fly up. But she could not go very high. A little dog was holding on to her long tail. It was in his mouth.
Bobby shooed the dog away. "We'll try again," Bobby said. This time Sundari leaped up in the air. She tugged hard.
Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her string. She gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. "We," cried Sundari. "Now I can fly as high as I please." And away she went. She flew up in the air.
Such a wonderful story. At last Bobby set Sundari free to fly wherever she liked. Now, let's learn the meaning of difficult words. The word band means a group of musicians who play modern music together.
Example sentences are: I like to join a music band when I grow up. Our school band played a beautiful song.
The word dizzy means feeling as if everything is turning around, and that you are not able to balance.
Example sentences are: Don't look down. You'll get dizzy. I felt dizzy as I went up the merry-go-round.
The word smile means a happy or friendly expression on the face.
Example sentences are: He has a nice smile. She smiled seeing her friend Rita.
The word string means a piece of strong, thin rope made by twisting very thin threads together, used for fastening and tying things.
Example sentences are: I can move the puppet's arms and legs by pulling strings. They tied a string to my bag.
The word tug means to pull something quickly and usually with a lot of force.
Example sentences are: Tom tugged at his mother's arm. Do not tug the door.
The word wind means moving air.
Example sentences are: There was a light wind blowing. There is enough wind to fly a kite.
Having understood the new words, read the following sentences.
I feel dizzy on a merry-go-round.
The band was playing a tune.
Excellent. Now, answer these questions. Who made Sundari?
Bobby made Sundari.
Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari?
When Bobby made the kite, it was a big red, white and blue kite that looked beautiful. Hence Bobby called her Sundari.
Did Sundari fly very high at first?
No, Sundari did not fly very high at first, as dog caught her tail.
What made Sundari really happy?
When Bobby let go of her string, Sundari was happy. She said, "Now I can fly as high as I please."
Excellent, both of you answered well. With this we have come to the end of the session, lesson, Sundari.